So, as I was adding a few touches to this floral arrangement, I noticed my nails. So, I just decided it's just time for me to get my nails done. But then I realized I just got through paying all of my bills and I am totally broke. So, I went out and got some Kiss brand press-on nails. And I've heard that these are amazing press-on nails. I'm not a big press-on nail fan, but a friend of mine told me this is way to go if you don't have enough money to get a manicure. As for cutting your cuticles, it's an absolute no. It can cause an infection and could be very painful. So says dermatologist. Just Google it. So this box of nails comes with its own nail file and glue, but I'm not a big fan of this glue. I tried it a couple of days ago and all the nails fell off. So this one is a little blurry. I apologize. It's called Beauty Secret. It's trending big time on TikTok. So let's get started. So these nails come with an array of sizes, and you kind of like want to organize to see which nail will fit your own nail. And you just want to go ahead and put a dab of this glue on your nail bed as you've decided which one you're going to use for your thumb, for your pinky, and for the rest of the nails. So this one fits perfectly for my thumb. Well, maybe not. Let's try this one. This one's a little smaller and perfect. So yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and put a dab of glue on the nail bed. Just a dab would do ya. And we're just going to get this party started. I've heard such amazing things about this glue. So, yeah, let's see how well it works. It's supposed to last for about a month. Some people say it lasts for 3 months, but we'll see. Let's give it a try. They said put some on the nail and put some on the nail bed. So here it goes. So this glue is very strong, and it dries very quickly. So as soon as you put it on, it's gonna dry really quickly. So make sure you put it on correctly, because if you put it on crooked, it's gonna be a challenge to adjust. So for the sake of the video, I've already washed my hands. You may see a bit of debris on my nail beds. That's because I tried this brand a couple of days ago with their own glue, which did not stay on very long. So I heard great reviews about Beauty Secrets, the glue that I'm using now. And so let's see how it works out. Let's do the remaining of the nails. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I love these nails. It looks like I got them professionally done at the nail salon. What do you all think? So due to manufacturing, they have these little nubs at the top of the nail. So you just take your nail file and just file it down. That's all. Well done, Bridget. I have to give myself a pat on the back. I am so impressed with these. Let me know what you all think in the comment below. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Bye-bye for now.